So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to design an invitation card using Pixellab. So let me go to my size here. I'll change the width to be 600, and then so you can actually see the dimension that we are using. So let me delete this default text. So you actually see the height, the size of the invitation card that we are trying to design. So first, let me change the color to white. This is white. So let me go and import the background that I will be using. Let me just do so. Yep. So guys, let's use this as the background. So I will increase the relative size, increase the height and everything. So what I will do is I will centralize everything. Yep, you can actually see it at the center. So I'll go to text here and then start writing my text. Let me write the families. Yep. So for this, I'll just where's my color here? I just write turn my color to black, and then I'll go to fonts. So for the font, I'll use let me go with this font. Yeah, you can actually see the fonts. So that's let me change this to F families. All right. I'll just reduce the size and then centralize it to the center. Let me reduce the size. Yep, I'll just leave it at the center. Go to text again and then write the name of the father. Yeah. So I'm just doing this as a sample. So that's it for this. I'll just put it around this axis. Okay. Change the color to black. Then for the font, let me look at the font that we will be using. Okay, let me see if I can go with this. Yeah, this is correct. I will go with this Abijah. So I may decide to reduce the size like this, centralize it. Let me make this one around there. So that's it. I will go to text here and then write open bracket jam. So that's it. I will just make it to be at this dimension here. It should be black also, and then for the color of the or the font size, I will go with Newton regular. Reduce the font size. So I will just fix it around this axis. Reduce it a little bit. Yep. Here we go. Centralize it. We are good to go. Let me increase the spacing. So I can just copy this family and then I will write and that of. So I'll just put it around this axis and then okay, and that of all of them supposed to be a lowercase letters. So for this, I'll just turn it to be italic, and then I'll reduce the size to a suitable size. But it just seems like I don't want the font, so I can change it to Newton regular also. For this italic, I'll just so I'll just fix it around this axis. So I will do same for the next one. Actually, I don't want the video to be long, so I'll do same for the next one. So I actually do same for the other guys. So now what I will do is I will just pick on shape, and I'll just fix it around this axis. Let me increase the radius, and then where is okay, let me just leave it like this, and then for stroke, I don't want stroke. I don't want stroke. Let me just go with this like this. I'll go to inner shadow. Where is my inner shadow? For this inner shadow, I will just reduce the size, the color, and then I'll just fix like this. Yeah, This seems to be fine, but I need to increase the size. I just centralize it. Yep. Here we go. We are going higher. I don't want the video to be long actually, so I'll just copy this and then I'll write cordially. Invite the honor of your pleasure, your presence. Should be here. Let me see if I can reduce the size. Let me reduce the size here, and I'll centralize it. Where is my italic? Yep, I'll go with italic here. Yep. So that's it actually, that is it. So I can actually copy it and then write to the. So for this, I will just increase the size, drag it here, decrease the size. Yep. So if you are new to this channel, I beg, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video if you think it is actually useful for you. Like and share to your fellow designers so that they will actually learn from it. So I will go to text and then write the text wedding. I'll fix it around here, and then next thing I will do is I will just I'll go with this, and then for color I will choose this color. Should we go with that? It seems like the color, the writing is actually off. Alright, let me see. I need sexy fonts. Sexy font. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, let me go with this. Actually, let me go with this. Yep. So let me increase the fading, then centralize everything to the center. So if you don't know the fonts that I use, I'll just let me see. You can actually see it here from here. Medina, yeah, that's the font that I use. So I will go to summarization. Yep. So I'll fix it here. For this one, it's supposed to be black. Although let me just rechange the color. This one to be black and then the other one should be that color. Yeah. So I'll go to font and then choose a better font. Where's fonts that I will choose? Let me see, this one can go since I started using it. So that's it. I'll just fix it around here, let me just make it to the back of this. Yep. So I think we are good to go actually. Although let me see. This looks nice. And it seems like if I can change another one, I don't want to change different fonts. Yeah, let's go with it. So I will actually put the name of the couples, which is, let's see, I'll fix it here, and I'll go with black color. So for the fonts here, I will just choose, it's a font that we started working with. Yeah, this one. I'll just go with this one. Then I'll increase the size. Then make it to the center. Copy the text and then the name of the bride. So for the name of the bride, I will just kind of decrease the size a little bit. So I'll copy this. And I'll put it around this axis, although I don't want that font. Actually, I don't want it. I'll just go and let me see if this one can work. Let me just select it and just put it. Yeah, so I need to put the other thing, which is of their children. So as from now, you will actually notice how I captured it in everything to be nice. So I will just proceed and do the rest so that the video will not be too long. So let me just proceed and do this. So here we go. You can actually see how I encrypt this. So now what remains is for me to go to my gallery and then import the flower icon. So let me just go to gallery and import that. So you can actually see the flower here. So I will just reduce the size of it, reduce the size, and then fix it around here. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. So that's it actually. This is just how to do your simple invitation card design using Pixellab. Thank you very much for your time. Let's go and see the outcome. Let's go and see it so that we see for ourselves. Thank you. So you can actually see the outcome of what we did. So thank you very much for your time. If you find this to be useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Like and share this video to your fellow designers. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial. Peace.